Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Just Here and There. This is Ronald. Today I am in Bratislava, which is the capital of Slovakia. This beautiful city is a fantastic option for budget-conscious travelers who want a rich European experience. We took a popular day trip from Vienna, Austria. It was just a 1-hour train ride from Vienna to Bratislava. And it only cost us €18 apiece for round-trip tickets, which also included one-day transit pass in Bratislava. You don't need a reservation for this, you can directly buy tickets at the machines in Vienna train station. I thought that was really a good price. The countryside was really beautiful and was actually very flat with lots of wind turbines and was green. For me, the train ride was so relaxing. Did you know Austria's Vienna and Slovakia's Bratislava are the closest capital cities in Europe? And Bratislava is the only capital city in the world that borders two countries. Yes, you can opt from Slovakia into Austria or Hungary within minutes. This picturesque, history-filled and vibrant capital of Slovakia is known for its medieval charm, striking castles and scenic Danube River views. It was our perfect day trip. After getting down from Bratislava train station, we directly headed towards Danube River to see the spectacular UFO tower. This UFO observation deck is an iconic building and is a symbol of Bratislava, and it is at the height of 95 meters. If you feel like seeing the city from a bird's eye perspective, then spend €9.9 and experience the spectacular view of Bratislava over Danube River. Next, I headed towards the city center. I used the pedestrian path under the new bridge to get there. While walking on the left-hand side, you can see Bratislava Castle. I did not go there as it was not so interesting for me, but I took few videos for you. Bratislava people were super friendly and the city center was packed. The city is very walkable and the old town area is pedestrian. If you happen to need a bus or a tram, there is still a great public transport. There are plenty of must-see places in Bratislava for history enthusiasts. In that, one of our favorite is Michael's Gate in Old Town Bratislava. Visiting Michael's Gate is one of the top things to do in Bratislava. It is the only surviving gate from the city's original fortifications and ranks among the oldest town building dating back to 13th century. In medieval times, the town was surrounded by fortified gates, and entry and exit was only possible through one of the 4 heavily fortified gates. There was one gate in the east, one in the west, one in the south, and one in the north. This Michael's Gate is the north one, which is still preserved and named after Saint Michael, who is our guardian angel. Around 20 minutes walk from Michael's Gate, there is a blue church of Saint Elizabeth which was built between 1907 and 1913, which is also one of the top tourist attractions here. The Church of Saint Elizabeth, commonly known as Blue Church, is an Hungarian Catholic church. It is consecrated to Elizabeth of Hungary. It is referred to as Little Blue Church because of the color of its facade, mosaics and blue glazed roof. It is something different and nice experience here. From my point of view, Bratislava is nice for a day trip. We spent a quality time. After the Blue Church, we walked here and there and ate nice Italian sweets, saw famous Kumil statue, and we headed back to Vienna taking the same train we took in the morning. For the next few minutes, I will give you a walk tour of the train which connects two countries' capital. I hope you like this video. If you're new to my channel, then please do not forget to subscribe, and I'll come up with a more interesting video next time. Until then, see you. Bye bye.
Alata. Tu galata.